SEL at J Has Heart. My organization is J Has Heart. 10 years ago I started it. Stands for Jabari Has Heart. Because I recognize that everything we do about social and emotional learning, if we're talking about this word empathy, it has to come from our heart. We have to show that we care. So the definition of social and emotional learning is the measured process through which an individual develops and effectively applies attitude, behavior, knowledge, and skills necessary to 1. Think positive, 2. Understand emotions, 3. Declare and achieve their goals, 4. Empathize and respect others, 5. Seek and engage positive relationships, and 6. Constructively make responsible decisions. That is our definition of social and emotional learning. You'll get tweaks here and there from different institutions that talk about social and emotional learning, but that's ours. All of those words mean 5 competencies. These 5 competencies are self-awareness. Self-awareness really means positive thinking and how to understand your emotions. How do I feel today? I feel good. I feel great. And I'm going to do great. How do I feel? I'm sad. I don't want anyone to talk to me. Am I acknowledging my emotions and then acting accordingly? Am I trying to change these things? That's self-awareness. Self-management. Self-management is how do we achieve goals? How do we manage the things we want to achieve? As adults, we try to do that too. Short-term goals, long-term goals, daily goals, marital goals. How do we help students recognize these goals and achieve them? The third thing, social awareness. Social awareness talks about empathy and respect. We constantly want to share with our students, man, do you not respect his or her feelings? Do you not respect what their differences? How can we show that we care that they may not have the ability to quickly understand the content the way you understand the content? Let's respect them. The next thing, relationship skills. How can we teach students to move towards positive relationships instead of the negative ones? Right? Sometimes as adults we do that. This is why social emotional learning, I'll get to in a second, isn't just for students. The last competency is responsible decision making. How do we help students make consistent, good decisions? And we'll get to that with this PBIS going forward. A minor thing about the history of SEL. You probably want to know a little bit. How did SEL come about?
Thank you so much for listening, for watching. Did you enjoy the content? Then click like, click subscribe, and remember, like a tree that grows from a seed, everything that you will be is already inside of you.